the real kind of faith. I called majority of our faith before we surrendered to the Lord the swipe left miracle, mga classmates. Why? What do I mean? It means most of the time, we treat faith like spiritual Tinder, mga classmates, swiping left on God's power as optional when we already do the deed. We used and misinterpret James 2 verse 17 or commonly said, faith without action is dead. Well, mga classmates, true, we have to do the work. But faith must come first. Believing and asking from Him through prayers and guidance must come first. Unfortunately, our impatience and mostly pride take precedence over faith. So we put into our hands to do what we wanted to do first and be God of our lives. It is only when we fall and realize we made the wrong choice or done it at the wrong time and became desperate enough to swipe right on a Hail Mary prayer to God. Then adding insult to injury to the Lord, if we don't get the result we wanted, we blame Him. This is why I commend Miss Chris Aquino, who did not listen to the advice of her friends, tried and had her health condition treated through divination, such as faith healers, which is totally against the Lord. In fact, this is an abomination for the Lord, and not just a harmless way of trying other things to be healed. Why? Because it shows a lack of faith, and moreover, believes that the Lord is not that powerful enough to heal you. Miss Chris Aquino took a firm stance and chose not to swipe left and swipe right instead for God. True enough, the Lord is blessing her to still be alive now, long after her son turned 18, which is what she prayed for. And her provisions continue to happen because of her faith and loyalty to God. Mga classmates, true faith is not the absence of doubt. It's the courage to reach out despite it.